So today we're gonna do the Y strap. So Brian, I'm gonna have you lift up your head. We're gonna go ahead and put the harness right here. I'm gonna give you a little tug, and that's, are you holding on there firmly, Brian?
Hold tight?
Yeah, hold tight,
Okay.
but relax your body. Let those big muscles relax, Brian. Okay, so you're gonna hold tight and relax, and we're gonna give you a nice little tug. Just a nice tug. There we go. Okay, Brian, I'm gonna relax that right shoulder to my hand. Perfect.
That was good.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Brian. And we're gonna bring the left side over here, a little bit more. Left side over here, Brian. Oh, that was perfect.
Very good.
How'd that feel, Brian?
Very good.
Tell everybody how you feel.
I feel better.
Great.
Definitely a big difference.